requires a monitor, mouse, and a keyboard for the setup of the librarian. This system is built to minimize their work because the system will be used as the new logbook and will monitor the students who goes in and out the library.
Jomar Maris, System Analyst, Group 5 Login Logout System, is a desktop and web page based project used to provide the student with less hassle of the librarian and easy monitor the students. Implement RFID scanning and Raspberry Pi 3 technologies in the school.
Lionel Hison Navales, Group 5 Analyst, Login Logout System. The idea was created the system because of the student hassle of the handwriting when log in and log out in the library. Because of the technology, now the students are automatically enrolled in the library school so that they no longer have difficult writing in the log.
The system is made for the library so that they will no longer use logbooks and the students will be using their ID to tap in entering and going out the library.
Triple G Ipilan, System Analyst from Group 5 Login Logout System. First, students set up laptop, Raspberry Pi 3, mouse, RFID scanner. Easiest way to tap their ID, less hassle, time saver, and easy way to use.
I'm Junton Minyosa as a assistant programming in Group 5. Programming language used this project as the following: Sublime, PHP, and for the database is MySQL. The student can log in and log out and register just tapping their student ID with the use of RFID scanner connected to RPi. This system will be great help to librarians staff lessen their work. Thank you, that's all.
Hi everyone, I'm Junli Sinad, a programmer of Group 5, our system called System Library Login and Logout. And this is our project. And first, you just registered your ID, just tap in, but my ID is registered. Then I will show you the registered of the system library. First, you tap ID, just log in. Then when you go out to the library, just tap once, then log out. But first, I will show you the registered of our system. Registered. This is our registered project, but this is when you tap your ID, in ID number of your ID in this, then your full name, then submit. When you are done submitting, you gonna enter the system library. Why it's so important of this system? Because no hassle in when you enter the library, and diba magsuwat ng gidag ballpen dadto sa notebook, pero karon amo nang gi murag amo nang gi automatic na siya nga mo login. Then first musud ka, tap lang kasi mong ID, then successful login. Then man nakagamit sa imuhang gamiton dito sa library, then just stop, log out. Then the admin is monitoring on you, and when time and date when you log in the library and log out the library. The record shows you and show the admin in what time and what date been recorded. Date, time recorded, and the date in login and log out status recorded. And that's it. When you go back in the index, then show you our project, the system library login and log out. Just tap your ID and when you enter the library. And that's all. Thank you.